Hello, I'm Ewan Davis, Chief Executive of Conway County Borough Council. I've always had the highest regard for our foster carers and their families for the work that you do in looking after some of our children in Conway. But I realised during this coronavirus lockdown period, the challenges are probably greater with fewer places to go, schools closed. So I just wanted to say thank you very much for what you're doing. You, in my eyes, are an important part of keeping Conway and the people of Conway safe. So I say thank you very much.